The very first thing that you should do after you fill your swimming pool and start your filtration system, and this applies to absolutely every kind of swimming pool across the board, you should take note of the clean operational pressure of your filter. When you start up your pump, with a single speed pump, you only have one speed. If you have a multi-speed pump or a variable speed pump, then you would record this reading at highest speed. And what you're recording is the pressure that you're reading on your filter gauge. Every swimming pool is unique, and that's why it's so important that you need to record what your clean operational pressure is, because nobody at all can help you at a later point to know what yours might be. They would have to come to your house, clean your filter, and then read the pressure on the filter to know what your clean operational pressure is. And that's your other option as well. If you don't know what yours is, clean your filter, whatever kind of filter you have, DE, sand, or cartridge filter. Perform your cleaning maintenance, put the filter back in, turn on the pump, and write down that clean operational pressure. It's so important. Go ahead and write it in a permanent marker on the wall right next to the filter. And the reason why this is so important, first, I said it's unique to only your swimming pool, but you also need to know when are you supposed to clean your filter. The way that you know when it's time to clean the filter is that the pressure on your filter has increased above the clean operational pressure. The exact amount that it's increased, 5 to 7 psi is what I've always told people to go with. When the pressure is 5 to 7 psi higher than your clean operational pressure, that indicates it's time to perform your filter cleaning maintenance. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.